Coins in the Sea. Every evening, as the sky turned golden and the children nestled on their cushions, Dadi Jan would tell stories that echoed with wisdom and truth. But this time, the story began gently, unfolding like a breeze that carries lessons from long ago. Long ago, in the time of Bani Israel, there was a man who needed money. He approached another man and requested a loan of 1,000 gold dinars. The lender replied, "Bring me a witness." The man answered sincerely, "Allah is enough as a witness." Hearing this, the lender nodded, "You have spoken the truth." And he gave him the gold. They agreed on a set time to repay the loan. The borrower took the money and journeyed across the sea. As time passed and the repayment date drew near, the man searched for a boat to return, but none could be found. No ships, no way across, but his heart was filled with faith. He took a piece of wood, hollowed it carefully, and placed the 1,000 dinars inside, along with a letter. "Oh, my friend, I could not find a way to return in time. I entrust this to Allah and hope it reaches you." He sealed the wood, went to the seashore, looked at the sky and said, "Oh Allah, you know I took this loan and promised to return it. I could not find a way back, so I leave it in your hands. You are my witness, and you are the one who delivers." On the other shore, the lender went down to the water. He wondered if the man would return. And then he saw a piece of driftwood floating toward him. He picked it up, planning to use it as firewood. But when he split the wood, gold coins spilled out and a letter, the very words his friend had written. His eyes widened, not in shock, but in peace. He smiled, knowing Allah had brought his trust back to him. A few days later, the borrower finally arrived by boat. He came with another 1,000 dinars in hand. He said, "I'm sorry, I could not come earlier. Here is your money." But the lender replied, "Allah has already returned your trust to me." The story teaches one beautiful truth. When trust is placed in Allah with a sincere heart and honest actions, even the sea becomes a messenger of His mercy. It reminds us that when people uphold their promises and intentions for the sake of Allah, He never lets them down.